Shadim Shuri. Nasty day in the market yesterday. Let's see some stock that I was looking to buy, sell puts, as well as I actually bought a few shares here and there of some of these stocks. Alright, so let's take a look. First up, Palantir. I've been out of Palantir since up here. This was the move. This was the day. One of these days, it's done. Okay, that's when I'm out. I saw a put spread for next week, but on continued weakness today, look like it will be. Would I add to it? Probably. When would I buy the share outright? I probably would buy outright at 66. My put spread is at 65. So can it get there? Sure, but I would start to buy share at 65. At 66, I mean, at the confluence between now and next week. Likely the 50 MA is going to go right into that. And first up, what we can do is get rid of this fib extension. Remove drawing. Alright, let's do this. Let's use this as our starting point for a fib retracement. 84.8. There you go. Yeah, look like the ref low right here is lining up perfectly with the 38.2 fib. So potentially there could be a buy order for me at 68-ish. Right, and then for sure down here. Okay, I don't have any problem reacquiring Palantir. I mean, I like Palantir. Wouldn't mind slowly build up the position again. INTU. I saw a put spread yesterday down here, right? With 2 days now, there's no trading tomorrow. We are closing, the market closed tomorrow for President Carter. So there's basically 2 more trading days left, and this is a strong support area for INTU it in the past 6 months, and I like it. Not much else to say. Okay, has it violated? Yes, it has, but it is a critical zone. You know me, I love my zone. So let's go back 3 years to see. Yeah, this is it. This is the zone. Okay, and then if that failed to hold, then potentially 585 is the next spot. Okay, so that's into it. I like. Now I also sold puts yesterday. Oh, I add share. I did not do any options because this stock doesn't have much options, at least not enough juice, but on further weakness they might be. Regardless, I bought 509 was my price, so I didn't quite get the best deal. If by the time I saw 505, it was already behind. It bounced way too quick. But should it continue to decline into next week, this monthly option here. So January 17th is expiration. I do like I would love to be able to sell if there's enough juice for 495 or 490. Okay, if it's 490, 485 have juice. Let's take a look. I don't think there is. Yeah, it's not heavily traded, so I can't tell. Plus, I don't like the $10 spread. That's way too far. Okay, way too far. So I have to take a look at what the premium is, but 500 is too close for comfort. 490 is too far for comfort. It's one of those. Yeah, it's just crappy. I mean, 490, not that it's too far for comfort. It's too far to get any kind of juice unless I see it. Until the market open, I don't see it, but I like it. Okay, I like it down there. Would I buy more? Outright buying the share at 496, 495? Yeah, I would add down there. Vulcan Material, the competitor for a long time. For those that follow me, I trade both Martin Marietta and Vulcan for years and years and years, even before the pandemic. They were in line. They were matching for the longest time, but not recently. It seemed that VMC did a little bit better. Regardless, it has come down. I have not bought anything yet. Last time I owned anything was when I got out here. I got out on this move up here. I bought something down here, got out up there, and then see it pop, and now it has filled the gap. See, it filled the gap, and then it filled another gap, and next up, I need to redo this fib. This fib is garbage. This fib is way old. Remove. Let's see, where should we do this fib? We can do it starting right here. Let's see. There we go. 61.8 is here. All right. Certainly you can do it that way. But what if we do it down here? What if we do this fib from down here? Okay, if we do it down there, then the 61.8 fib is a little bit lower. You can test it. I actually kind of like this fib more. Okay, normally I play around with the fib to see which one makes sense. There's always potentially multiple starting point for the fib. I like this one because it kind of lined up the 61.8 right at the gap up. You see this right here? It seemed like the 61.8 for this particular fib worked out better. So I'm keeping this one. So yeah, it's same thing here. Is there any kind of juice below 150? 250, I mean. Ideally, 235, right? Because you get this next fib and this ref low here bounce. So 235. Is there any juice? Oops. Yeah, it's not much. Not much. Once again, you get the $10 spread, which is not to my liking. Okay, this is why I don't use options for the MLM or VMC often or at all. I think I have traded them maybe once or twice in the last many years, because until it get closer to the expiration, like next week, yeah, it's too. First of all, it's too far apart as far as the spread, the options price. I wish it was $5. But when it's 10, it's kind of a waste of time. All right, people, look like it's gonna be, let's see what the market is doing pre-market. Look like it's down. Actually, no, it looked like a slight bounce. I see the SPY right now is flashing a slight bounce, but the big econ data coming out today, I believe, big one, because normally you have jobless claim, of course, on every Thursday, right? But because of the special day tomorrow with President Carter, they move everything to today. So today you get a slew of econ data from jobless claim. Instead of jobless claim Thursday, you get jobless claim Wednesday, and then you also have the unemployment rate for December. That is the big number. That's what will be the big mover of the market. I don't have any major prediction for that number. It's trash as far as the data, as far as I'm concerned, but that's what the market's gonna do. So whatever pre-market action that you see here, be careful. It can turn upside down real quick, like yesterday. Yesterday, when the econ data come out at 10 a.m., it completely flipped the market. The market was doing very well the first 30 minutes, and then right at 10 o'clock, it completely melted down. Okay, so